Good evening, crafty friends. I know I'm a little late getting in with this flip through on Friday, but guess what? We are going to cover DCWV's Floral Couture. The reason I chose this particular scrapbook paper pad is because right now you have an opportunity to get it on sale at American Crafts. No, I am not an affiliate, but yes, I do love the paper pad. And because of its price and because I love it, I wanted you to see it. So when the American Crafts website comes back up, because you know they're experiencing some technical difficulties due to weather, if you like what you see, because I think it's probably what, $5.74, maybe. This would be a beautiful addition to your collection if you don't have it. And if you do have it, you know what I'm talking about and you will love it too. Once again, I am not receiving anything off of this. I just love the paper pad and I decided to use it for my hashtag Flip Through Friday that is being hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. Okay? So, guys, it is everything. It is. It says it has, well, it's printed cardstock. We know that. It says it has gold foil. And it says it's one of these premium stacks. Here we go. Has these cut aparts. Let me start back over too. It has, it has 36 sheets. Okay? So let's see. 1, 2, which means it has 2 sheets of each one. This is one of the most lovely, romantic, soothing, French kind of country type of pads that we have available to us right now. There's another one that I wanted to cover, but depending upon the amount of time, I think I might just stick to this one and do the other one the next time. These cut aparts are adorable, okay? I am going to do the front and the back, all right? Adorable. Look at this. Look at this. This just exudes luxury in my mind, okay? Beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, gorgeous. Look at this. I hope you can see it well. So pretty. You know what? There's something else too about DCWV's papers. The weight of the cardstock is, what does it say on here? It doesn't say, but it truly feels like a, I won't say 65 pound, maybe like 80. I've never really thought about it. And if you have and you know, let me know so we can know, right? But this is pretty. Look at that foil. Look at that. See how it just shows up on camera? The little birds, the florals. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And you know what? If you own the pad, you're watching this video, if you don't mind, put it in the comments. Let me know. Let us know. Let me know which one of these pages is your favorite page, okay? Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. Look at it. It's just pretty. So nice. Now, even though this is just a matte sheet, you can see the beauty in it, can't you? You know what? A lot of times, I've heard several people say that this is one of the colors that they love the most, but that sometimes it's difficult to craft with. I think it's still one, I think it's easy. I do. I think you can easily pair this with some lighter colors and collage it sort of, you know, kind of together a little bit. I don't mean like collage. I mean, you know, this works well with ecru, beige, black, green, you know, real nice. Look at this. Oh, I had not seen this page while I'm sitting here saying about the other page, but is this not beautiful? I know there are some people that don't particularly care for florals. I think that when they are marrying together like this, it just creates such beautiful imagery. You know what, guys? Let me tell you something. I'm going to have to apologize. So my next door neighbor on the right-hand side of me is a politician. My neighbor on the other side is a preacher reverend of a large church. My next door neighbor on the right side of me won her election not too long ago. And right now they're in the backyard testing out the fireworks. Normally I probably would be maybe in my studio, but I decided to be in the house and upstairs in the craft room. So you hear all these fireworks and everything going on. So let me just apologize to you for that first and foremost, but I just had to go ahead and get it out because it never seems to amaze me. Whenever I decide I want to specifically do something, bless her heart, she's doing something. Oh my gosh. But these are beautiful though. Here's another one. Look at it. Is this not like a sophisticated, stunning, special event type of look? Every last one of us that are crafters, at some point in time, we've got to have that special event cardstock that we can just pull out and work on. This is so gorgeous, especially with the holidays coming up. Not too, we're not too far away from them, You all know I love butterflies. I love butterflies. I think for me, the thing with the butterflies is that they're all different. They're all different. And then they just have such beautiful colors and they just emulate peace, Look at these. Oh, I like this so much. This is so pretty. Look at that. That just exudes luxury. Luxury and romance, if you ask me. That's just my thought. Is this not pretty? I like this a lot. I would have to say this is probably one of my favorite pads. One of them. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Now, we all could grab the mink and do this ourselves, but when we see it, look at that. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So pretty. Here we go again. Look. Is this not romantic? Is this not like shabby chic, French country, elegant, couture? This is so nice. Oh, it's just so nice. When I see stuff like this, I just go, oh, I'm still in awe. This is why I wanted you to see this paper pad, because there's so much to it. And I think it's $5.74, but I don't know what it's going to be when American Crafts comes back up. And if you have a content creator too, if there's a content creator and a crafter that you are familiar with, and then you have the ability to get that 10% off, that works well too. If you don't know someone, I know that Leave It to Lisa Crafts, Punchy Tats, what is it? Crafting to Cope. There are a couple people that are affiliates. So if you know one of them and you want to purchase some things from American Crafts, I think you can get probably like 10% off at the same time. Okay? Pretty. This puts me in the mind of one of those Anna Griffin papers. There's a paper that she has that kind of looks like this a little bit. And again, the foil. One thing with things like, with patterns like this is sometimes you got to figure out where to cut it. But other than that, I like it. Okay. Again, look at this. Now, no, you don't want to craft with this every single day unless you're making things for your business that require this, but this is truly a staple of luxury and sophistication and elegance and beauty and calmness too. Pretty stuff like this makes us calm, Cute. This is cute. The butterfly. This is cute. The pattern is really nice. Again. And I'm sure somebody's saying, why are all these florals? Well, the name of the pad is Floral Couture, right? Okay. Just want to say it's Floral Couture, okay? So if you're a person that doesn't really care for the florals, then this might not be the best pad for you, but as a person that loves florals, loves foil, loves this stated elegance, I just wanted to show it to you so you could experience some joy and peace and happiness on this Friday night too. Love it. Okay, so now we're going to cover the other side. I love doing these. You know, these Friday flip throughs are so fun to me. I know we're only going to be together for a few minutes, but still, they're just fun. I don't want to say it's mindless crafting, but it's like we can connect with one another. We can show you things, or you know, or we can see things, and at the same time, we can just have a little fun. You know, just a little fun. It's pretty. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice back page. I like that. Cute. Now, I will say this. I don't craft with a lot of people or animals in my crafting. I don't, for some reason, I don't. I have a few things that I do with it, but for the most part, I deal with more florals, things that are just a little more, I won't say bland. I'm not going to say bland, but I typically, a majority of my packs don't include animals, but I love them. I do. Is this Bambi? It looks like it's Bambi though. I like this one. But you know, you have some that just have it everywhere. Some people love that, but I'm just saying that's just not, I prefer not to. The same way some people prefer not to work with a lot of florals, right? No harm, no foul. This is pretty. I love it. Gosh, this is pretty. Isn't it amazing how they can take ecru and black or black and white? And it just is so, and I use this word a lot because this is what I mean. It just has a very sophisticated look to it. I'm telling you, black and white. Look, black and white can do wonders for a lot of things. Pretty. I like this. Sometimes I just got to figure out where to cut. And for those of you that are wonderful at fussy cutting, my hat's off to you. I cannot fussy cut. I don't have the patience, I believe, to fussy cut. I don't really think so. That's just like diamond painting. I think it's pretty when people get finished with it, but all those little bitty pieces, it's not, it's not for me. And I am in awe of those that can do it. I know I have some friends that love diamond painting. In fact, I picked up a few of them from Hobby Lobby last week while they were on sale for a friend of mine who's a crafter. She has a beautiful, fabulous channel too, Miss Doris. But I picked up a couple of them for her. But I'm just saying, my hat's off to you in terms of fussy cutting and diamond painting. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like this color. This wine color is just like, I love it. Yeah, look at it. You see the patterns in it too. See? It's nice. You know, when I see pages like this, I can work with it. I can work with it because I can work with it. But I sometimes wonder, where does the cut begin and end when I'm crafting or when I'm creating something? This is not about the paper itself. It's just, excuse me, for me, I am always like in the moment when I'm crafting. So like something like this, like I said, for you, some of you could fussy cut around that. I wouldn't fussy cut around that. So I would have to figure out how to craft around it a little bit. I think there's an advantage too to be able to fussy cut. I just can't do it. It's just cute. Little are these doves? These look like little doves. See it? They look like little doves. Pretty. Oh, nice. I love this color. It's matte too. Neat. Now this is beautiful. Not that the other one wasn't, but this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's pretty. It makes you almost not want to cut it. Wow. Do y'all hear that? Oh my goodness. And in the morning when I get up and go outside in the backyard, there will be all of these firecracker type of things over here. Oh, this is pretty. This is really, really pretty. This is adorable as well. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Gorgeous. Let's see what's on the other side. Okay, this is what's on this side, and this is this. Oh. Like I said, if you have this paper pad, if you would, just comment and let me know which page is your favorite. And if you don't have this paper pad, and you want this paper pad, when American Crafts website comes back up, you might want to get this paper pad. I think it's only $5.74 at the moment, I think. And if it's not, guess what? You can always get, and I'm gonna say it again, you can get one of our crafting community people to, you can go in under their link and get you a 10% discount as well. Nice. This is pretty. See it? It has a damask look. I don't think it's completely damask though. Very nice. And guys, that's it. Uh-oh. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me this evening as I cover DCWV's Floral Couture. This is, once again, in my opinion, it's a beautiful paper pad. It is currently on sale with American Crafts. Once again, the people that I am aware of that have an affiliate link are Leave It to Lisa Crafts, Punchy Tats, and Crafting to Cope. And I will put their names in my channel mention. And well, thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me this evening. If you'd be so kind as to like, share, subscribe, come back and see me again, I'd appreciate it. Most importantly, take care over this wonderful weekend. Thanks.